guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share. So for today we are going to be tying the Ankara turban mixed with raw silk. As you can see, I'm going to be starting off with the Ankara. I'm going to be tying that on her head first, like making sure it doesn't show on her edges, and then because I want the raw silk to show on her edges, so I'm going to be using the raw silk too with the Ankara, as I said earlier. Yeah, so I'm going to be pleating the raw silk first. I pleated the Ankara. I tied the Ankara first on her head to make sure it has more volume, like it should be fuller on her head. And also I'll be using the raw silk on the outer part of the turban. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just making a pleat. I'm going to be folding the raw silk in a 70-30 form. I'll be 70-30 measurement. I'll be flipping the longer hand first and making sure it goes around her head, that's on the opposite side, and then bringing the shorter hand down and also placing on the longer hand like this. So after pleating that, I'm going to be using a pin to secure the part where I'm going to be holding that down, and I want to make sure the turban is my turban is firm, and also you don't want it to get loose when she's dancing or anything like that. So I'm going to be using a pin, an office pin, to secure that. So after I'm done securing that, the Ankara on the inside, you want to make sure Ankara stays perfectly well. You can also tie the Ankara if you don't know how to use a pin. Some people have complained before that they don't know how to secure their turbans with a pin. You just have to keep practicing, guys. Anything we practice, you get perfect. That was how I struggled with pinning head tie too, turbans like that, and boom, with time I got used to it and I figured that out. So I'm going to be making a ruffle with the Ankara. Like, I pulled the remnants of the Ankara from inside the turban. I'm going to be bringing that up so that the pattern of the Ankara, or the Ankara rather, it shows up at the top of the turban. Sorry. So I'm going to be using a pin to make a ruffle. So you guys have to be careful whenever you're pinning, you're making a ruffle, or whenever you're using an office pin, because you tend to poke your model or your clients, and that can be very, very uncomfortable. You don't want to do that. So you have to be very, very careful when you're doing that. And yeah, on my previous videos, you guys wanted me to gist you about my first makeup, like my experiences, how I got to start makeup and all that. Yeah, guys, I'm going to be doing that on my next video, inshallah. So yeah, let's just keep on with this. I'll see if I can make that happen. So you guys should excuse my elbow. It's looking all white from the harmattan. So I'm going to be using the raw silk now, pulling the raw silk to the top of her head, and then making the ruffles with the raw silk itself. So guys, do you like her makeup? If you do, I'm going to be leaving a link down on the description box to see how we created this beautiful melanin transformation. And yeah, that's just about this. I hope you guys loved this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, guys. Sharing is very important. Please, you guys should watch my videos to the end. And yeah, that's it for this gele. So guys, this is it for this turban. Do you like it? If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also importantly, don't forget to share. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.